Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to set up Vissani portable air conditioner, installation, modes and operation guide. Step 1. Choose the installation location. Place the unit on a flat, stable floor and keep at least 12 inches or 30 centimeters of clearance from walls and furniture. And ensure the unit is near a grounded electrical outlet and a window. Step 2. Connect the exhaust hose. Attach the exhaust hose to the back of the air conditioner and twist or lock it into place according to your model. Avoid bending or overextending the hose. Step 3. Install the window kit. Adjust the window slider to fit your window opening and insert the window adapter into the slider panel. Now close the window tightly against the kit to prevent warm air from entering. Step 4. Seal air gaps. Apply the included foam seals around the window kit and ensure there are no large gaps around the window. Step 5. Connect power. Now plug the AC directly into a grounded wall outlet and avoid using extension cords or power strips whenever possible. Use cooling mode. Press the power button to turn on the unit, then press the mode button until cool mode appears. Now set your desired temperature using the up and down buttons and select a fan speed, auto, low or high if available. Now allow a few minutes for the compressor to begin cooling. To use auto mode, press mode until auto is selected and choose your preferred temperature. The unit automatically switches between cooling and fan operation based on room temperature. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.